Good morning guys! Magluluto tayo ngayon ng chop suey, ng chicken liver at quail egg. Okay na to. Tikman natin guys. Yummy! Ito na guys, yung finished product natin na chop suey. Ito na. Let's go! Let's eat! Thank you for watching guys. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!